welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I'm back again with an exciting video. So today I'm going to do a really quick fashion video, and I think this would be my first video since the day I moved to England. I didn't do any fashion videos because I never had enough clothes, because I just bought like a suitcase of clothes, just one suitcase of clothes. So I thought of not making fashion videos. But now, after buying a lot of clothes since I've been here, but now I bought enough clothes to do this fashion videos, so I'm gonna be back again. I won't be posting fashion videos every single day, but once a week, and I will definitely continue posting a lot of makeup videos. So yeah, anyways, this is the top which I'm gonna be styling today. I really like this top. It's pretty cute, and I got this from obviously Shein has amazing clothes. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I really like this top. It's a bit sheer and the quality is not that great, but not that bad. This is how it looks like. So yeah, and pairing this top with this skirt, yeah, this is the first look, and I won't be showing you footwear maybe next time, but today I'm going to show you my outfit and my handbags. So this is the first way of wearing this beautiful top. I just love, you guys, you wouldn't believe, whenever I wear this skirt and go out, a lot of people compliment, like a lot of girls I've seen, like I at least got like 4 compliments me wearing this skirt. I wore it like 4 times, and every time I wear it I get a compliment. I really like this skirt so much, and I'm gonna buy more of these. I'm gonna order today or tomorrow. Yes, I'm gonna buy more stuff. So why not? I love it. And I'm gonna wear it. Oh, I'm gonna take this bag with this outfit because this bag looks really nice. I really like handbags so much, like cute handbags. So this outfit looks really nice. I totally love wearing this type of outfits. I mean, this is like my style. I love to look girly. I hope you can see my outfit well. So this is how it looks like. I know the lighting is not that great because it's the sun is going down. I think I should use a fake light. One sec. So I hope now you can see my outfit a bit more better. I've got artificial light on. So this is how it looks like. I know this video is not gonna be that nice, but I'm just trying, you guys. This is how the outfit looks like. I absolutely love to style clothes, and yeah, this is one among them. What do you think? My face might not look nice because the light is coming from the bottom to the top. If the light is like from the top to the bottom, it would look nice, if it makes any sense, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is how my makeup looks like. So yeah, this is how the outfit number 1 looks like. What do you think, you guys? Do you like this outfit? Let me try another skirt with this top. Cute, right? Okay, let's move on to the outfit number 2. So you guys, this is outfit number 2. I really like this skirt. Again, this is from Shein. My previous skirt was also from Shein. I just love stylish clothes, and this is one among them. What do you think? I love this skirt so much, but this is like way too short. Like, I just don't want to show you the back. It's like too short. I would like, be not very comfortable going out like this unless I've got something underneath. Today I don't have it. If you can see, but usually I wear like shorts under my skirts, under all my skirts all the time, because I like to be comfortable. And England is pretty windy, so your skirt can just blow up anytime, and you're not flashing anyone. So you better wear something underneath it. But this is the outfit. I just love it. What do you think? And I really like this handbag. Again, I got this from TK Maxx. Maxx has like so many fancy handbags, and I love TK Maxx for that. So yeah, what do you think? Do you love it or you don't? Yeah, this is how this skirt looks like. I'm absolutely in love with this skirt. It is like really nice. Let me just take a picture. So yeah, love it. What do you think? I'm in love, you guys. Like literally, I'm in love with this outfit. Oops. I'm not gonna show you footwear in this video because I'm a bit lazy and I want to finish this video off really quick. I have to start cooking at 7 o'clock and it's 6:35 already, so I don't have a lot of time. But yeah, I'm in love. What do you think? I never carry my bags on my right because I'm comfortable in the left. So oh, you guys, I just love shopping. What do you think of this outfit? Okay, so let's move on to outfit number 3 really quick. Here I am with outfit number 3. I mean, look, number 3. Look at this. This skirt, I got it for £1. Can you believe it? I got from Primark. It was on sale, so I was like, let me just pick it up because this is like really cute skirt. And you guys, when I was walking down the high street, a little kid, he was like probably like 10 years old, 9 years old, he said I look good. Like I was wearing the same skirt and this is how my ass looked like, and he was just like, you know, walking next to me. He walked with me for about like 10 seconds and then he looked at me and then he complimented me. I mean, he's like a baby. Like if I was married, I would have had a kid older than him. Can you imagine? But then whatever. So yeah, this is how the outfit looks like. I really like this outfit again. It's a bit sexy, but then color combination might not be that great because both of them are lavender color but then have a different, no actually, oh, they look pretty similar in real life. They look like good set. I don't know, but I really like this top. The moment I saw this, I wanted to buy, so I bought it. And today, you guys, if you guys really share, if this video gets enough views, at least more than 500 views, I'm definitely buying more clothes from Shein. So you guys, watch this video, share this video, and like and subscribe and comment down below. If you comment and if you want to see more of these videos, I'm definitely doing it because I love it. So yeah, lovely. Okay, so I really want to go shopping again and buy one more handbag. I love handbags, you guys. So yeah, what do you think of this handbag? I got it from Temu, I guess, or Shein. I think Temu. It's only for £12 and it's absolutely useless. I mean, you can actually not fit anything in it. Just few cards and spare just few banknotes. That's all. That's all it fits. It cannot even fit my phone. Like yeah, it's pretty useless bag, but it looks good when you wear it. Yeah. And the chain is really bad that it doesn't even stay on your shoulder. You have to constantly like keep doing this. It's like really bad. I didn't like it, but it's good for pictures. Yeah. Okay, so let's move on to our last look. Okay, this is the last outfit of this video, and this is how this skirt looks like. This skirt I bought it from Delhi. Honestly, Delhi has really fashionable clothes. I thought only England has it, but no, Delhi is the best. I mean, Delhi is the best state in the entire India when it comes to fashion. I mean, Delhi has amazing clothes. Can you see this skirt I bought from Delhi? And this looks far better than the clothes you get it in here. Yeah, I mean, you have to keep the price in your mind. If you spend like 60 quid or like 60-70 pounds, you can get better skirt than this. But 60 pounds is like 6,000 rupees, and I bought this for 200 rupees. You see that? Just for like £2. Anyways, this is how it looks like. I really like this skirt. It's so fashionable. I'm loving it. And this bag again I got from TK Maxx. Look at this bag, is so stylish, and I got for £30 only. So lovely, right? I just love it so much. But I'm gonna control myself. I really shop a lot and I shouldn't be. But yeah, I love it. This is the entire outfit. I mean, if I had some fancy belt, I would have wore it with this skirt. So anyways, this is how the outfit looks like. I like my skirts to be this height, not shorter than this. Maybe, yeah, it can be a little shorter than this, but not too short. I like the length of the skirt. I mean, it's pretty nice in the back. I mean, it's covering my big ol' ass. So yeah, I love it. I love this outfit so much. Okay, so that's about it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and I shall see you guys in the next one. And if you want to see more of this type of fashion videos, make sure you like and comment down below that you love it. Yeah, that's it. And for my headband, I got this from Shein again. So it's a really cute headband. I really like hairbands a lot, so keep buying them. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna be doing next, I think, hair tutorial. It's been a really long since I did any hair video, so my next video most probably would be a hair video. I'm not sure. But anyways, thank you so much you guys for watching. I appreciate that you like my videos and you comment. Every single one of you. I love you all. Thank you. Bye.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.